Hello guys, and be welcome back to the channel. Today I'll bring you a quick tip video. So, how to mask a canopy. For that we need masking tape, thin and normal one, hobby knife, brand new hobby knife blade, a canopy and a set of tweezers, a hole brush and liquid mask. So this one is already done. I have already masked it, and I chose this 1/72 one because if we can do this on this scale, we can transfer these skills to any other scale. On top of that, I almost forgot, we need a cocktail stick. So without further ado, let's have a look how we achieved this result. We start by cutting a piece of 4mm masking tape and apply it flush to one of the edges of the canopy, and with the cocktail stick, mark the edge of the canopy on the other ends. Once you have a nice and clear edge in the tape, pick your new hobby knife blade and trail the tape to cut the excess of it. Having done that, move along the canopy and keep repeating these steps until you end up with a fully masked canopy. For the larger area, I have used 2mm tape to outline the canopy frame. Having done that, I use liquid mask to cover the bulk of it. To apply the liquid mask, make sure you use an old brush, as the chances of you being able to reuse it are very slim. With all the masking done, it's now time to paint it. Once you're happy with your paintwork, use a hobby knife to help lifting the tape, although be careful not to scratch the plastic part. And there you go guys, a painted canopy. Hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if so, please like and subscribe to the channel to more videos and tips. Thank you for watching.